Ah, great. I'm glad you're here. And while I've got you for the next 60 seconds or so, listen up to the end and stay with me so I can tell you what's coming. We've built something really exciting and we're still growing our research. You'll get access to tons of insights, and we are supported by Ibis World and CoStar, the #1 in the industry. And here's what we'll also do. If there's an area you wish to see, ping us an email. The address is in the website footer. It is your platform too, not just ours. I've been in this business for over 30 years, and I know the difference proper research can make, and I know how wrong it can go without it. Believe me, I've seen it. But here's the thing. None of this can happen without your support. You're helping with the future of Edgewise CRE, and yours too. What I said we will do, we will do. If I made you a promise and I didn't stick to it, I wouldn't expect you to stick around, so why should you? We're committed to delivering, and we will. Here's the best part. The next 1,000 people who sign up will get exclusive access to a special report and a 3-day free trial to explore everything we offer. This exclusive report details the top risks every investor should be aware of and how to safeguard your investments in an unpredictable market. Click Start now to begin your 3-day free trial today. Don't miss out. Take the first steps now. Cheers.